Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic is also known as coronavirus pandemic. Is the ongoing global pandemic coronavirus disease 2019. COVID-19 caused by the severe acute and respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2 novel virus was first identified outbreak in Chinese city Wuhan December 2019. Attempt to contain their failed, allowing the virus to spread to other area, Asia and then worldwide. In early 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared outbreak a public health emergency of international concern PHEIC. On 30 January 2020, the WHO ended PHEIC declaration on 5 May 2023. As of 20 December 2023, pandemic has caused 772,837,981 cases and 6,988,666 confirmed death, ranking in 5th list of the death list epidemic and pandemic in history. Disease coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 virus strain severe acute and respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 SARS-CoV-2 source bats and indirectly location worldwide index cases Wuhan China public health emergency and international concern 30 January 2020 5 May 2023 3 years 3 months 5 days confirmed cases 772,837,981 deaths 69,88,666 reported 18.2 to 33.5 million estimated fatality rate 1.02%. COVID-19 symptom range from asymptomatic to deadly but most of commonly include fever, sore throat, nocturnal cough and fatigue. Transmission of the virus often through airborne particle. Mutation have produced many strain variants with varying degree of ineffectivity and virulence. COVID-19 vaccine were widely deployed in various countries beginning in December 2020. Treatment include novel antivirus drug and symptom control. Common mitigation measure during public health emergency including travel restriction, lockdown, business restriction and closure, workplace hazard and control, mask mandated and quarantine testing system and contact tracing of the infected. Pandemic caused severe social and economic distribution around the world including largest global recession since Great Depression, widespread supply shortage and including food shortage were caused by supply chain distribution and panic buying. Reduced human activity led to unprecedented but temporary decrease in pollution. Education institute and public area were partially or fully closed. Many jurisdictions and many events were cancelled or postponed during 2020 and 2021. Many white collars and workers began working from home. Misinformation circulated through the social media and mass media and political tension intensified. The pandemic raised the issue of racial and geographic discrimination, health equality and balance between public health and imperative and individual rights. Terminology. Epidemiology pandemic defines as epidemic occurring every year, very wide area and crossing international boundaries and usually affecting large number of people during the COVID-19 pandemic. As with the other pandemic, the meaning this term was been challenged during initial outbreak in Wuhan. The virus and disease were commonly referred to the coronavirus, Wuhan coronavirus. The coronavirus outbreak, the Wuhan coronavirus outbreak with the disease sometimes called Wuhan pneumonia in January 2020. Who recommended 2019 NCOV and 2019 NCO and acute respiratory disease interim names and virus and disease per 2015 international guideline against using geographical location Wuhan China animal species and group of people in disease and virus names part of prevent and social stigma. Who finalized the official name of COVID-19 and SCA Adhanom Ghebreyesus explained CO for corona, VI for virus, D for disease and 19 when the outbreak of first identified 31 December 2019. Who identified uses COVID-19 virus and virus responsible for COVID-19 public communication. WHO named variant of concern and variant interested using Greek letters. Initial practice of naming according to where variant were identified. Delta began as India variant. No longer common, more systematic name scheme reflect variant PNGO and lineage. Omicron lineage P11529 and used other variant. Epidemiology background. SARS-CoV-2 virus closely related to bad coronavirus. Pangolin coronavirus and SARS-CoV, the first known outbreak of 2019-20 COVID-19 outbreak mainland China started in Wuhan and Hubei, China. December 2009, many early cases were linked to people who had visited the Hunan seafood wholesale market there, but possible for human-to-human transmission began earlier. Scientific consensus that virus most likely zoonotic origin from bat or another closely related mammal. Controversy about the origin of the virus including lab leak theory and heightened geopolitical division, notably between interstate and China. Earliest known as infected person fell ill on 1 December 2019. Individual did not have connection with the later with the market cluster. However, earlier case may have occurred 17 November. Two-thirds of initial case cluster of the mark linked with the molecular clock. Analysis suggests the index case likely to have been infected between mid-October and mid-November 2019. Cases. Official cases count refer to number of people who have been tested COVID-19 and whose test has been confirmed positive according to official products, whether or not be experienced systematic disease and due to effect sampling bias and studying which is obtained the more accurate number of extrapolating from random samples have consistently found total infection considerably exceeded for report case count. Many countries early on had official policies to not test those on only mild symptoms. The strongest risk factor to severe illness are obesity and complication, diabetes, anxiety disorder, and a total number of conditions. During start of COVID-19 pandemic, it was not clear whether young people were less likely to infect and less likely to develop symptoms and test to be. Retrospective cohort study China found children and adults were just likely to infected. Among more through study, preliminary result from 9 April 2020 found the Angel Center major infection cluster in Germany. 50% of population sample tested positive for antibodies and screened for COVID-19. Pregnant woman, New York City. Blood donor, Netherlands found rat and positive antibody test indicated more infection and reported seroprevalence based estimate conservative of the some studies show that a person mild symptom and do not have detectable antibodies. Initial prevalence based estimate are conservative, sir. Some studies show that person with mild symptom and do not have detectable antibodies. Initially estimate the basic reproduction number of RO COVID-19 January 2020 were between 1.4 and 2.5, but subsequent analysts claimed that may be about 5.7 with 95% confidence interval 3.8 to 8.9. December 2021 number of cases climbed to several factors including new COVID-19 variant as the 28 December 28 to 790822 individual worldwide had been confirmed infected. As the 14 April 2022 over 500 million cases were confirmed globally. Most of cases unconfirmed with Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation estimate. True number of cases early 2022 BB million death after 10 March 2023 more than 6.88 million deaths had been contributed COVID-19. The first confirmed death was Wuhan on 9 January 2020. These numbers vary by region of over time and influence testing volume, healthcare system quality, treatment, opposition, government response time since initial outbreak, and population characteristics such as age, sex, and overall health. Multiple measures are used to qualify mortality and official death counts are typical, including people who died after testing positive. Such count excluded and death without the test. Conversely, death P also who died from underlying condition following positive test may be included. Countries such as Belgium include death from suspected case, including those without test, thereby increasing count. Official death count have been claimed to underreport actual death toll because excess of mortality number of death period compared to long time average. Data show the increased death that not explained by COVID-19 death alone. Using such data, estimate the true number of deaths from COVID-19 worldwide have included range from 18.2 to 33.5 million, 27.4 million by 18 November 2023 by economists, as well as over 18.5 million by 1 April 2023 Institute of Health Metrics Evaluation, and approximately 18.2 million earlier death between 1 January 2020 and 31 December 2021 comprehensive international study. Such death included death due to healthcare capacity constraint and pediatric as well as reluctant to seek care to avoid possible infection. Further research may help distinguish and proportion of directly caused by to COVID-19 COVID-19 from those caused by indirect consequences of pandemic. May 2022, WHO estimated number of excess death of by end 2021 to be 14.9 million compared to 5.4 million reported COVID-19 with a majority of unreported 9.5 million deaths believed to be direct death due to virus rather than indirect death. Some deaths were because of people with other condition could not access medical service. December 2022, WHO study estimated excess from pandemic during 2020 and 2021 again concluding approximately 14.8 million excess yearly death occur, reaffirming and detailing of period calculation of May as well as updating them, addressing criticism. These number of do not include measure like years of potential life lost and may make the pandemic 2021 leading cause death. Time between symptom onset and death of range from 6 to 41 days, typical about 40 days. Mortality rate increase from function age. People greatest mortality risk are elderly and those with underlying condition. IFR estimate per age group. Age group IFR 0 to 34 0.004%, 35 to 44 0.0868%, 45 to 54 0.23%, 55 to 64 0.75%, 65 to 74 2.5%, 75 to 84 8.5%, 85 plus 28.3%. Infection fatality. Infection fatality rates IFR this cumulative number of deaths attributed to disease divided into cumulative number of infected individuals including asymptomatic and undiagnosed infection excluding vaccinated infected individuals is expressed percentage point of other study refer the metric of infection fatality risk. November 2020 review article Nature reported estimated of population weighted IFR various countries excluding death elderly care facility and found medicine range of 0.24% to 1.49%. IFR rise function age from 0.002% at the age of 10 and 0.01% at the age of 25 to 0.4% at the age of 55 and 1.4% at the age of 65, 4.6% at the age of 75 and 15% at the age of 85. These rate vary factor of approximately 10,000 across the age group. Per comparison of IFR middle aged adult 2 orders magnitude of higher than annualized risk fatal automobile and accident and much higher than risks dying seasonal and influenza. December 2020 systematic review and meta analysis estimated that population weighted IFR was 0.5% to 1% in some countries, France, Netherlands, New Zealand, Portugal, 1% to 2%, other countries, Australia, England, Lithuania and Spain, and about 2.5% in Italy. This study reported most of difference reflected corresponding difference population, age structure and age specific pattern of infection. There have also been review have compared to fatality rate of pandemic with the period pandemic such as MGRS, COV, comparison inspection and mortality rate of seasonal flu, interstate 0.1% which is 13 times of lower than COVID-19, cases fatality ratio CFR, another metric assessing death rate cases fatality rate ratio of CFR which is the ratio death diagnosis and metric can be misleading because delay between symptom onset and death and because testing focus on symptomatic and individual. Based on Johns Hopkins University static global CFR 1.02%, 6881955 death for 676609955 case 10 March 2023 number of variants of by region has generally declined over time. Disease variant several variants have been named WHO under labeled variant concern VOCR variant interest VOI. Many of these variants have been shared more infection D614G and May 2023 WHO had downgraded variant of all concern to previously circulating. These were no longer detected new infection. Sublineage of Omicron variant BA1, BA5 were considered separate VOCs by the WHO until they were downgraded March 2023, no longer widely circulating. Duration 45 seconds, 0.45 World Health Organization video describe proliferated unvaccinated area variant concern past or present lame lineage and detected countries period alpha B.117 UK 190 190 VOC beta B.1.351, South Africa 140 VOC delta B.1.6172, and India 170 VOC gamma P1, Brazil and Brazil 90 VOC Omicron B.1.1529, Botswana 149 VOC. Signs and symptoms. Symptom of COVID-19 variable ranging from mild symptom to severe illness. Common symptom including headache, loss the smell and taste, nasal congestion and runny nose, cough, muscle pain, sore throat, fever, diarrhea and breathing difficulty. People with the same infection may have different symptoms and their symptom may change over time. 3 common cluster symptoms have been identified. 1 respiratory symptom cluster with cough symptom, shortness and breath and fever. Skeletal symptom cluster with muscle, joint pain, headache and fatigue. Cluster digestion symptom, abdominal pain and vomiting, diarrhea. People without period, ear, nose, throat disorder, loss of taste and combined with loss of smell is associated with COVID-19. Reported many of 88%. COVID-19 transmission. Disease is mainly transmitted via respiratory route when people inhale droplets and small airborne particles that form the aerosol, and infected people exhale, they breathe, talk, cough, sneeze or sing. Infected people are more likely to transmit COVID-19 when they are physically close to other non-infected individuals. However, infection can occur over longer distance, particularly indoor. Causes. SARS CoV-2 belong to broad family of virus known as coronavirus. Positive sense single-stranded and RNA plus ssRNA virus with a single liner RNA segment, and coronavirus infects human, other mammal including livestock, companion and animal avian species, and human coronavirus capable causing illness ranging from common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East of respiratory syndrome. MERS fatality rate approximately 35%, and SARS CoV-2 seventh known as coronavirus to infect people after 22-9E NL63 OC43 HAU1 MERS CoV, original of SARS CoV. Diagnosis. Standard method of testing presence of SARS CoV-2 nucleic acid which detected presence of viral RNA fragment, as these tests detected by RNA but not infectors and virus ability to determine duration of infectivity. Patient is limited. Test typically done by respiratory nasopharyngeal swab. However, nasal swab sputum sample may be also used to. WHO has published several testing protocols and disease prevention. Prevention measure to reduce chances of infection including getting vaccinated, staying at home or spending more time outdoor, avoiding crowded place, keeping distance from other, wearing mask in public, ventilating indoor spaces, managing potential exposure, duration, washing hands with soap and other often water often at least 20 seconds, practicing good respiratory hygiene and avoiding touching eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Those diagnosed with COVID-19 who believe they may be infected are advised by healthcare authority to stay home. Expect to get medical care. Call ahead before visiting healthcare provider. Wear face mask before entering healthcare provider office, and when they are in any room, vehicle and any other person, cover cough and sneeze with tissues. Regularly wash hand with soap and water to avoid sharing personal household items. Vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine intended provide acquiring immunity against severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus to SARS CoV-2 virus that causes coronavirus disease. 2019 COVID-19 period to COVID-19 pandemic established body knowledge and existed about the structure and functioning coronavirus causes disease like severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS and Middle East respiratory syndrome MERS knowledge accelerated to develop various vaccine platform during 2020. Initial focus SARS CoV-2 vaccine was preventing symptomatic and severe illness. COVID-19 vaccine widely credited the role reducing severity and death caused by COVID-19. As the March 2023, more than 5.5 billion people had received one or more doses and billion in total. Over 197 countries and Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine was the most widely used. According to June 2022 study, COVID-19 vaccine prevented addition 14.4 million to 19.8 million death in 185 countries. Terrorists from the 8 December 2022 8 December 2021. On 8 November 2022, first recombinant protein based COVID-19 vaccine Novavax booster and Novavax booster Novavax was authorized to use in adult United Kingdom, subsequently received endorsement authorization from WHO, US, European Union and Australia. On 12 November 2022, WHO released Global Vaccine Market Report. Report indicated inequitably distribution not unique COVID-19 vaccine countries that are not economically strong struggle to obtain vaccine on 14 November 2022. First inhalable vaccine introduced developed by Chinese biopharmaceutical company CN Sino Biologic and City of Shanghai, China. Treatment for first 2-year pandemic, no specific and effective treatment cure was available. European Medicine Agency EMA Committee for Medical Product and Human Uses CHMP approved oral antivirals protest and inhibitor Paxlovid, Treatment plus AIDS drug in Ritonavir to treat adult patient. FDA later gave EUA. Most cases COVID-19 are mild. These are supporting cases include medicines such as paramedical NSAID, relief of the symptom, fever, body ache and cough, adequate intake of oral fluids and test. Good personal hygiene and health diet are also recommended. Supporting care severe cases including treatment to relieve symptoms, fluid therapy and oxygen support to prone existing and medicine or device support other affected vital organ. More severe cases may need to treatment in hospital. Those are low oxygen level using glucocorticoid. Dexamethasone is recommended to reduce mortality. Now invasive ventilation and ultimately admission. Intensive care unit mechanical ventilation may be required to support breathing at the external membrane oxygen ECMO. Extracorporeal membrane oxygenation has been used to address the issue of respiratory failure. Existing drug under the hydroxychloroquine, Epinephrine, Ritonavir and Ivermectin are not be recommended by US European Health Authority as there is no good evidence they have any useful effect. Antiviral remdesivir is available US, Canada, Australia and several other countries with varying restriction. However, not recommended use the medical ventilation and discouraged altogether by World Health Organization WHO due to limited evidence of efficacy. Prognosis severity of the COVID-19 vary that it may be mild course of with few or no symptoms resembling other common upper respiratory disease such as common cold in 3 to 4% of cases, 7.4% those are over 68% symptom and severe enough to cause hospitalization. Mild cases typically recover within the 2 weeks while those are with severe or critical disease may take 3 to 6 weeks to recover. Among those who have died and time off from symptoms onset, the death has ranged from 2